Well, the forecast was looking good, so we decided to get in the transit camper van and away we go for a couple of nights.
Hey, trapped behind caravan-tastic.
That's well funny. Caravan-tastic, a very professional YouTube channel run by Dave and Helen. Morning. Welcome to a very misty morning. It's misty everywhere. It's night. Wherever we are, I've forgotten. A bit early in the morning yet. Very basic. You must have your own. To be fair, they're very clean, but very basic. Spider plant there, it's not an growing up. A little bit of books and some info. Not a stone floor, so not heated. A lovely big map, OS map. So yeah, very basic, but clean and tidy. Into your waste bin. Lights up. General waste. Glass only. Or recycling for cardboard, paper, plastic and cans. The Wi-Fi signal here is better than home. We're on the Virgin cable thing. But yeah, it's totally really good. The full signal. Wherever we are on the park. Blueberry porridge. Free from wheat. Free from wheat porridge. Golden syrup.
Nice place, isn't it? Nice place.
Yeah, it's lovely. There are only people here. It's even nicer. Not that we're in social or anything. Apparently there's 10 acres of woodland walk in here.
Here?
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
10 acres is good.
Lake is lovely, isn't it?
Right? Yeah.
Lake.
Oh, it does. It looks like we'll have a walk around there.
Yeah.
Because we won't be able to walk around there tomorrow. with the matches on. Very autumnal, isn't it, round here? Beans out.
Okay, go on, get the beans out, that's it.
The dog is down. Are you that? Are we puffed now?
You done? You're a lunatic dog.
The dog is down. Should be exhausted in a minute.
Not right in the head, that dog.
Should want to go back in a minute. Got no chance of seeing any wildlife, are you, Marcy? You are the wildlife. Field, I think. Field with something in it.
They've well set up all this, isn't it? Right. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Nice little pump.
Yeah.
Yeah. All these will be, oh, it's cameras, CCTV. Yeah. So these be pegs with?
No.
Must be for somebody else, that I think. Maybe.
Oh, it's a table.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
The time that we come.
Yeah. It is, isn't it? Yeah, the trouble is the only pitch that's sheltered with the hedges. It's got a caravan stuck on it.